You only need three things. One is a P.R.O. to help you collect your performance royalties, CSAC, BMI, or ASCAP. Go with one of those three. Then you're going to need a publisher or music library that believes in your music. Now, the way you find these libraries is by Google, or you can watch TV, watch the end credits, and you'll get a list of everyone in the audio department, from the publisher to the music supervisors to the editors, all that stuff. Then last, you need functional music. Functional music simply means that the music is going to work with dialogue. It's going to work in the scene. It's going to work with the visual. The way that you make the music functional is with a good mix. It changes every 4 to 8 bars, and it's easy for a music editor to take your music and slice out certain sections to make it work with dialogue and the visual of a TV show. The other way is to provide the proper stems. Now, the proper stems are going to vary between each company. Some want no melody, some want bass and drums, some want all your stems, someone group stems. They'll let you know all this stuff, but it does not take a whole lot. That is all you need.